Okay, dear students, see the question number 3. Question number 3 in exercise 1.4. Okay, consider binary operation min. This is inverted V means min. On the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already min for 1, 2, 3 we have done in example. Okay, I think in concepts I have explained you how to write min operation for 1, 2, 3 operation table. Defined by A inverted V B means you have to call it as A min B is equal to min AB. That means min you have to take minimum number between A and B. Write the operation table of the operation min. Okay, operation table we have to write for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first you write operation, binary operation, then again we are trying to write operation table. Okay, see. Let us write the operation first. Operation we see here A star B is equal to A min B, that is equal to min AB. Okay, that means you have to take A and B and min B. Here you see set is if you take set as A, then A cross A to A, that means 1 1 1 2 1 3 all you have to take like that is there. But operation table means all are going to come, that you know very well. Let us draw the operation table. Okay, see how I am drawing operation table. See 5 elements are there. Okay, first you write corner min operation, say this is min, then you take all these elements 1 2 3 4 5, vertical also 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then you draw the table. Okay, now we have to fill these elements. How to fill? See, I am writing here, you see. AB means all you have to take. See, if this is A, set A, operation A cross A to A. That means you have to take 2 elements from this set only. One element result it will come. One element you have to keep here. That is the result. Okay. Now you have to take 1 1. Then 1 1 what will come? 1 only will come. Okay. If you take 1 2, what is the minimum? Minimum will be 1. Okay. If you take 2 3, what will be the minimum? 2. If you take 4 5, what will be the minimum? 4. If you take 5 5, what will be the minimum? 5. Why? Because see, if both are equal, min or max both are same. That means both are equal means only one you have to take, any one. That means the same number you have to take. 2 3 means 2 you have to take. 1 2 means 1 you have to take. 1 1 means 1 you have to take. Here this operation is min, minimum number. Minimum number between 2, A cross A. Okay. Now see, horizontal is 1 first x-axis and vertical y-axis you have to take. What? Horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Okay, like that you see and draw the values. Okay, now I am taking 1 and 1. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 2, which is minimum 1. 1 3, which is minimum 1. 1 4 1 1 5 1. Now come here. 2 1 1 is minimum, not 2. Okay, 2 2 both are same. 2 2 3 2 is minimum. 2 4 2 is minimum. 2 5 2. Now come 3 1 1 is minimum. 3 2 2 is minimum here. 3 3 3, same number. 3 and 4, 3 is minimum. 3 and 5, 3 is minimum. 4, 4 and 1, 1 is minimum. 4 and 2, 2 is minimum. 4 and 3, 3 is minimum. 4 and 4 also 4 is minimum. 4 and 5, then 4 will come here. Okay. Okay. 5 and 1, 1. 5 and 2, 2. 5 and 3, 3. 5 and 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. This is the operation table. Okay. And while explaining, I also told that some V comes like this. Okay, you see like this it has come 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Like this will come. Okay, inverted L or reversed L, whatever you may call. This shape, these are going to come. This is, see, even if you do this calculation or not, examiner don't bother. But these values have to be filled very carefully. Why? Because they will observe this pattern only. Whether 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 has come or not. If come, then they will strike mark. They don't see all these like this. Okay? For min operation, max operation, how to see and all, they know very well. If different operation means they have to check each element. But here in each element they need not check. They will see the pattern. This pattern if comes means okay, they are going to give marks. Okay, this is third question. Let us go for fourth question. Okay, see the fourth question. Consider a binary operation star on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like earlier only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only they are giving. Given by the following multiplication table. This time table they have given. That means these values are, you did not calculate. They have given these values. But what is this property we don't know. Okay. Compute 2 star 3 star 4 and 2 star 3 star 4 they are asking. Okay. By this table we have to compute the answer. Okay. Now you see we need not do this calculation how these have come and all. Let us take values directly from that. Okay. Now first you take this one. 2 star 3 star 4 that is equal to, say 2 star 3, first you have to do operation. 2 star 3 means 2, 3, 1 is there. 1 star 4. Okay, only once, one operation you have to do at one time. 2 star 3 is 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 star 4. Again you see 1 star 4 what is there? 1 star 4. 1 is there. That means 1. Answer is 1 for this one. Okay. Another one is also there. 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star 3 star 4. That is equal to. That means 2 star. Now you see 3 star 4 how much it will come? 3 star 4 1. 1. That is equal to. Now again 2 star 1. 2 star 1 is 1. Both have given 1 1 values. So how it has come you know na? 2 star 3 means 2, 3 you have to take this value. Why? Because see here star means star, here they have given. This operation it is controlled by this symbol. Okay, it may be LCM, it may be HCF, it may be min, it may be max, it may be whatever it may be, we don't know this operation. Okay, if they give operation and ask us to write the table, then we know. Now they have given table, that is why we don't know the operation. Let us go part 2 of this question. Part 2 what they have written. Is star commutative? Let me write. Is star commutative? Second one. Is binary operation commutative? Question mark. Okay. Now they are asking whether this operation is commutative or not like. Okay. See what is the commutation? Commutation is A star B. See for commutative only 2 we have to see elements. For commutative A star B should equal to B star A. Okay. Now you need not see all, but randomly you check whether this come or not. Okay. Now say 1 star 2 you take first. 1 star 2 should come 2 star 1. Okay. 1 star 2 1. 2 star 1 also 1. That means both are 1. That means okay. Now we see 4 5. Why? Because even if you see all also not wrong, but that much time you did not waste. This time I take 2 star 3 and 3 star 2. Okay. 2 star 3 is 1. 3 star 2 is also 1. That means this is also satisfied. Now we see 1 2 2 3 over 3 2 sorry 3 4 4 3. 3 star 4 4 star 3 we will see. 3 star 4 is 1. 4 star 3 is also 1. Now we go for 4 5. 4 star 5. 5 star 4. 4 star 5 is 1. 5 star 4 is also 1. Okay. Now we can say that this is a commutative. But how to write this answer? How you write it? As per table, as per operation table you write. As per operation table, 2 star 3 is equal to 3 star 2 comma 4 star 5 is equal to 5 star 4 etc. Results are verified. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. This is commutative. Okay? Like that you write. As per operation table, 2 star 3 is equal to 3 star 2, 4 star 5 is equal to 5 star 4, etc. That means like this all are there. Results are verified. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. This is commutative. Okay? Now we go for third part in this question. Okay. Now third part. Compute. That means calculate. 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. Okay. Here how you have to do this operation you have to do. Then put star and this operation you do put star and between these two again you do the operation. Let us see. Okay. Okay. 2 star 3 how much? 2 3 1 star 4 star 5 4 and 5 1 1 1 star 1 1 1 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now we go for fifth question. Okay. See the fifth question. Let star dash. See this is not star. Star dash be the binary operation on the set 1 2 3 4 5. Defined by A star dash B is equal to HCF of A and B. That means whatever it may be, this is binary operation is telling symbol whatever they may give. But what that operation? The operation is HCF. We know LCM, HCF and all. Okay, highest common factor. Is the operation star dash same as the table given? See, actually they have written is the operation star dash same as the star in the fourth problem like they have told. Fourth problem table I have not removed. That means this table is same or not like they are asking. What we do, we draw another table with HCF between the numbers. Then we will compare both table comes or not. Okay. If okay, then justify like they are telling. Yes, both tables are okay or not like we can write. Justification means writing the answer only. We did not give any this much justification. Let us draw another table side by side with HCF. Now star dash is operation is HCF. Here rather than star, star dash will come. Like this will come. You see. Star dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you write this table. Okay. Now you see, first table we have written here star is there, here star dash is there. This is last problems table, and even he may ask to us to giving this table and again to draw another table. Why? Because star dash we have to draw the table. What is star dash? Star dash is HCF. See, 1 or 2 I will write. A star dash B is equal to HCF of AB. Okay. Say if you take 2 and 4, what will be the HCF? 4, 2, 2 2s are 4, that means 0, then 2 will be the HCF. Okay. If you take 3 and 5, what will be the HCF? See, 3 and 5, 5 and 3 both are same for HCF or LCM. 3 ones are 3, 2 will come, then again you take 3, 2 ones are 2, 1 will come, again you take 2, 1 twos are 2, 0, until 0 comes you have to go under this left side. Divisor is the HCF, 1 is HCF. Like this if you compare here, what are going to come values? 1 and 1 is HCF is 1 only. 1 with any number HCF is 1 only will come. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here also 1 with 2, 1 only. 1 with 3, 1 only. 1 with 4, 1 only. 1 with 5, 1 only. See, this is going to come. If you see here also 1 is come. That means this also may be HCF. But let us go for remaining values also. Okay. See, if 2 values are there same, 2 and 2, the same will be the HCF. Okay. Okay. 2 and 3 means again 1 will come. I have written here 2 and 3. 2 and 3. See 2, 5. Automatically 2, 1, 2, 3 also has come. 1. Okay. 3, 5 also 1 will come. 2, 3. 2, 4, 2 will come. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 0 will come. HCF. Here HCF we are writing HCF. 2, 5 also 1. 3, 2 also 1. 3, 3 also 3. Same number will come. Okay. Now 3, 4 also 1. 3, 5 also 1 will come. Okay. 4, 2, 2 will come. 4, 3, 1 will come. 4, 4, 4 will come. 4, 5 also 1 will come. 4, 5 have I written? See, 5, 4. 4 ones are 4, 1. Not 0. That is why you have to take again this 4. 1 4s are 4, 0. If 0 comes, this is the HCF. 1. 5 2 also 1. 5 3 also 1. 5 4 also 1. 5 5 also 5. Okay. Now you compare this table with this table. 1, okay, 1. Then 2 1 2 1, 2 1 2 1. 1 3 1 1, 1 3 1 1. 2 1 4 1, 2 1 4 1, 1 1 1 5, 1 1 1 5. That means this operation both are same. That means here they have not told this operation as HCF, but here by HCF if we do the operation table, same table has come. What you write? You write like this: by above the given table. See here we have made this table. This is given table. The given table is same as star dash is equal to HCF of A and B. Okay, but that's all. Close this. By above the given table. Here given table, this one we have made this table. This is not given, we have made. The given table is same as star dash. Star dash is equal to HCF. Same. Okay. Now let us go for 6th question. Okay. See the 6th question. 6th question what they have written. Let star be the binary operation on n. N you have to keep in mind natural number to natural number. Given by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. Here star is LCM. Star is not plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, max, min or something. Not that one. Even HCF we have seen. Now LCM is asking. LCM, see LCM like operation for n okay. But for limited numbers it is not going to happen. Okay. find one by one. We will do 5 star 7, 2 star section. Both are separate, comma they have given. That means first let us find that one. 5 star 7. Number 1. 5 star 7 is equal to, that means what we have to write? LCM of 5 and 7. You see here, LCM of 5 and 7, LCM of 7 and 5 both are same. What will be the LCM? 5 comma 7. You see minimum number, see both are prime numbers. First question 5 cross 7, 5 star 7, LCM of 5 and 7. 5 and 7 means 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. Prime numbers further you did not do. 7 into 5, 35 will be the 35. Why? Because 5 and 7, 35 will be the LCM. That means you write that is equal to 35. Okay. Now 20, 16. 20 cross 16, that is equal to 20, 16 you can do. With 2, prime numbers only you have to do, prime factors. 2 tens, 2 8s. 2, 2 5s, 2 4s. 2, 5 like this only but 2 2s. Then 5 and 2 both are prime number, you stop. Now you see 2 into 2, 4, 8, 40, 80. Okay. LCM of 20 and 16 is equal to 80. You understand na question? Or because LCM only you have to take LCM, that's all. Go for second part, commutative. Second part is commutative. Is star is commutative? This one. Okay. First you write for commutative, comma. See, for commutative only 2 you require. A star B is equal to B star A. You should happen. Okay. You take any two numbers randomly. See, LCM of 5 and 7, LCM of 7 and 5 both are same. Okay. See, top only you take LCM of 5 cross 7 and 7 cross star 5 is 35 only. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. Commutative. This is commutative. See, commutative how it has happened? Because this is LCM. Even if you take 5 7 also 35 will come, 7 5 also 35 will come. 20 16 also 80 will come, 16 20 also 80 will come. That is why this is commutative. Okay. Now we go for this associative also. Third question. Is star associative? For associative, right? For associative, okay, comma, A star B star C should equal to A star B star C. Okay, this is the property of associative. Okay, what we do, we take these elements only 5 7 20 straight away we take. Let A is equal to 5, comma B is equal to 7, comma C is equal to 20. Okay. Any one example we will check and we will close. A star B, comma A star B star C is equal to, A star B means 5 and 7. 35 we know. But even though you write 7, 5, no 5, 7. Don't miss the order. 5 star 7 star 20. Okay. 5 star 7 is 35, you know very well. 35 star 20. 35 star 20 means 35 and 20 LCM you have to take. See, minimum 2 you have to take 2. 35 will come 10, 2, 35, 5. Now with 5 we can do 5 sevens are 5 1. 7 for 1 7 is prime number, not 1. 7 is prime number. You stop 75 35. 35 twos are 70. 72s are 140. 140 will come. Okay. Now you write 140. 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are 20. 27s are 140. Same, correct. Now you take RHS also. A star, B star, C. Okay. Now A star, B star, C is equal to, this time this is under bracket. A is 5 star 7 star 20. Okay, 7 star 20. 7 comma 20. Okay, you do with 2. 7 like this only 10. 2. 7 like this only 5. Okay, 7 5 both are prime numbers. You have to keep like that only. 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are 20. 27s are 140. Same thing will come. 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are 20. 27. 140. 5 star 140. Okay. Now again in between 5 and 140 you have to do 5 and 140. Okay, I am taking 5 comma 140. Minimum number 2 shall I take? 5 2 7s 20 70. Okay, 2 5 like this only, 2 35. So now 5 5 ones 5 sevens. Now stop. Why? Because this is prime number. 7 fives are 35. 35 twos are 70. 72s are 140. That means same number has come 140. Now you see 140, 140 both are same. Then what you have to write? You write like this. As above, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Therefore, associative. Okay? Like this you write and close. This third part. Third part only answer. Third part. Associative. Fourth part let us go. Okay, associative we have proved. Let us go for fourth part of this sixth question. Okay, see. Fourth part what they have given? Find the identity of star in N. That means identity is asking. See here identity means two identities are there. He has not asked what identity. Multiplicative identity is also there. Additive identity also there. Okay. See first let us write identity concept number 4. Identity comma say A star E is equal to A should come, that is equal to E star A. Here for addition what you have to do? A plus E is equal to A will come, that is equal to E plus A. This is for addition. For multiplication A dot E is equal to A, that is equal to E dot A. Dot means here multiplication. Okay. This is the process for identity. See here identity is what? A is a number, any number. In natural number N, A you can take any number. E is the identity. If you multiply, then A only has to come, and that is equal to multiplication. See, multiply, here I am talking about multiplication. I have not gone to LCM. This was the concept. Here addition. If you make addition of this A with that identity, then same number has to come in both way. Plus E plus A or A plus E. For multiplication A into E or E into A. Everywhere in between result should come A only. Same that number has to come. This was the concept. Now this concept you have to take for LCM. For star means LCM. LCM also. That means you have to write like this. See A LCM AB is equal to A has to come. Why? Because AE. LCM of AE, A has to come. That is equal to LCM of EA. See here, you need not worry about AE, EA. LCM of AE is equal to LCM of A. We have already shown commutative. Okay. But you should see if what number gives LCM of A. LCM of A. Okay. Which number you give? Normal you think any number, if you give E, here identity is asking means E is asking. E is equal to how much? Which number can you give for coming that same LCM? Okay, see here additive identity will not happen. Why? Because additive identity for A, see n means all natural numbers only will come, negative numbers will not come. For additive identity, for A, minus A you have to take, then only E will come. Same number, 0 will come here. Minus A and plus A. But here minus A does not belong to n. That is why this you forget. Additive identity will not come here. Here whatever the identity will come, multiplicative identity is going to come. Chance is there. Let us see. Okay. I have not told that still it will come. Possibility is for multiplicative identity only. Identity means E here. Multiplicative identity only has to come. Possibility. Additive identity will not come. Why? Because additive identity, for the sake of additive identity, you have to go for minus. Minus is not going to come. Okay. Sorry, 0 here. I forgot 0. A plus 0. A plus 0 is equal to A. That is equal to 0 plus A. But 0 not belongs to n. 0 not belongs to n. That means this additive identity is not going to come. Okay. Now multiplicative identity only you have to see. For multiplicative identity, what will be E? E will be 1. How this will come? Multiplicative identity. You take any number. Say I have taken 5. 5 is n. 5 LCM of 1 and 5 or 5 and 1. What will come? 5 only will come. That means A only will come. You see, A star E is equal to A. A only will come. Okay. That means here identity will be 1 only. E is equal to 1. Okay. How to write answer? You write like this first. Identity A star E is equal to A, E star A. For LCM of operation identity except 1, there is no other possibility. You write like that, and A star 1 is equal to A, that is equal to 1 star A. This you write. That's all. Why? Because see, identity if you take 1, then LCM of A 1A both are same, and that number is going to come. 115 LCM 15. 115 1 LCM is also 15. Like that. If you take any number, identity if you take as 1, then that LCM is going to come. Now we have finished this 4th one. Let us go for 5th one also. Okay, 5th one. Okay, I am writing here only 5th one. You see, which element of n are invertible for operation? See, we have seen identity. Now inverse also we have seen earlier. What was the inverse? Inverse is equal to A star B should equal to E, that equal to B star A. See here A will come, here E will come in between. Operation also here third number will come. That means here A, E, E, A, 2 numbers only. One number if you take identity as another number A. But here A, E rather than A, E, B also will come. Third number also will come. What is B? Comma B is equal to A inverse. B is the A inverse. Okay. E has to come in between. Whether you may LCM of AB is equal to LCM of BA, we know, but what will be the E? E is identity. Identity. What identity? It may be multiplicative identity, it may be additive identity, but we came to know that there is no additive identity for this LCM operation for natural numbers. Why? Because additive identity means 0 has to come, then 0 is not there in n. That is why we have to take multiplicative identity only. Multiplicative identity means what you have to take here? E is equal to 1. E is equal to 1 you have to take multiplicative identity. Now inverse also, multiplicative inverse you have to see. Okay. See, AB or LCM here. LCM if you take, then 1 has to come. Which numbers are satisfied? You tell me. Only 1. That means if you take 1 LCM 1, then 1 will come. If you take any number LCM of with any number 5, then 5 is going to come. This E is not going to become 1. That is why except 1 1 you cannot take any number. What is the question? Which elements of n are invertible for operation? Then you write again like this only. For LCM of operation inverse except 1 there is no other possibility. Okay, like that you write like this also. A star, sorry, you could write 1 star 1 is equal to 1, that is equal to 1 star 1. That's all. This is your answer for 6th question. Let us go for 7th question onwards in the next video. Thank you very much.